Alright guys, so this is just a little review on how to put your tables into the calculator to get equations. So one of the first things you have to do, guys, remember you have to turn diagnostics on. So to do that you push second 0, brings you to the calculator. Now you can scroll down all the way to D and you go to diagnostics on, or you can hit this button right here with the D above it. It'll take you down to the D's. So we go down to diagnostic on. You're going to hit enter and it's going to bring you back to the regular calculator screen. You'll have to hit enter again. So once you see done, then you've got it on. Remember, this is the only way to get our R values. Now if we want to enter things into the calculator to get equations, you first push the stat button. Then you want to be in edit and it's already there, so you hit enter. Now remember, what we put in our L1s would be our X values, L2 would be our Y values. So let's put in some X values. 2, enter, 4, enter, 6, enter. Remember, we only need 2, but you can have as many as you want. And on our scatter plots, you got to use them all. So after I put in my X values, I go up to my L2 to put in my Y values. Maybe have the Y values of 6, 8, and 10. Now guys, you got to be real careful here, because if you mess up any of these numbers, it's going to mess up your information. So make sure and double check what you've entered in. Once you do that, you go back to the stat button. Now we want to go over to the right to the calc options, and we want to do number 4, linear regression. So you can either type in 4 or you can move down to 4 and press enter. Once you get back to the normal screen, it says line reg ax plus b. We want to hit enter and it gives us all our information. Now remember, this y equals ax plus b is the same as y equals mx plus b. The a is our slope, b is our y-intercept. So now what you do is take your a, your 1, plug it in for a, your b is 4, plug it in for b, and you have your equation. Remember, we don't care much. Okay, there may be a little interrupt there. I'm not sure where I stopped that. Remember, just plug in your a for a, your b for b, and you have your equation. If r equals 1, it's linear. If it's not 1, that means it's not linear, and that's what's going to happen on our scatter plots. But the closer it is to 1 or -1, the stronger the correlation that we have. So I hope this helps out a little bit. Remember your important button, stat, turn diagnostics on, and you should be good to go.